Have you ever pondered over the power of dreams in shaping history? Dreams, those fleeting visions that dance in our minds while we sleep, have often been the spark that ignited the tinder of destiny. They've guided kings, inspired artists, and even foreseen the future. In the historical records, dreams have played a significant role in decision-making, acting as divine signs or prophetic visions. The sacred scriptures of many cultures are filled with stories of dreams that directed the course of events and changed the lives of individuals and nations. In the vast and rich tapestry of Islamic history, dreams have also held a profound significance. They've been seen as messages from the divine, pointing the way in times of uncertainty, illuminating paths in the darkness of despair. One such dream that played a pivotal role in history was seen by Sultan Saladin. This dream didn't just change his life, it altered the course of an entire era, leaving an indelible mark on the world. Sultan Saladin, a name revered in historical records, had a dream that changed the course of history. The unfolds that after his successful seizure of Jerusalem in the late 12th century, Saladin was engrossed in a vivid dream. He visualized Prophet Muhammad conferring upon him a banner, a symbol of authority and triumph, impelling him to emancipate the holy city from the Crusaders' stranglehold. Within this dream, the Prophet spotlighted the immense significance of this mission. The assignment was not merely about a territorial assertion, but about reinstating the city's sanctity under Islamic governance. This dream, as lucid as daylight, was interpreted by Saladin as no less than a divine directive, a celestial command to persist in the battle against the Crusaders. This dream grew into the wind, propelling Saladin's sails, a compelling force that powered his resolve and dedication to the cause. He perceived it as a chase of divine guidance, the course charted for him by himself. This pledge, this ceaseless quest, ultimately guided him to the victorious liberation of Jerusalem. Saladin's conduct following this dream, his adherence to chivalry, respect for his adversaries, and his unflinching commitment to justice, even amidst the turmoil of war, garnered him admiration from both his followers and his opponents. Saladin's actions post the dream not only steered him to his eventual triumph in reclaiming Jerusalem, but also earned him respect from allies and enemies alike. So, what does this dream tell us about the power of dreams in shaping historical records? The dream of Sultan Saladin is indeed a testament to the significance of dreams. It illustrates how a vivid dream can provide strength, motivation, and purpose, especially during challenging times. Particular dream showcases the intertwining of faith, leadership, and the pursuit of noble causes in Islamic historical records. This story stands as a testament to the power of dreams, serving as a beacon of inspiration and motivation, especially in challenging times.